watching. In today's video, I'm going to do an unboxing of the FabFitFun Fall box. Now, I already did film this video, however, FabFitFun sent me a second fall box, and it's totally different than the first one I received. I'm not sure if that was a mistake or if they sent a second one because I started a new subscription and paid for the annual, which I kind of remember them saying like you get an extra box with the annual subscription, but I'm not sure why they would send the same box twice. It is different products. All the products I did not choose. So let's get into it. I actually threw out the box because it was taking up space, but the first thing I did receive were these Steve Madden sunglasses. I don't remember seeing these on the site. They're super cute. Not typically my style. I don't really go for lenses that have these little nose pieces. Sometimes I do have one pair of like Gucci sunglasses that I like to wear, but you can't put them up on your head. They like get tangled. These kind of remind me of those like super popular Celine glasses that were going around. They're giving like beatnik, like festival type glasses. They are really cute and very dark. So that was the first item. Next are these Ririku resin coasters. I think it's just so cool that FabFitFun is more than just makeup. They do have like a bunch of other products. Now, I don't actually need coasters, which is why I never chose this product, but they did send them, so let's check them out. Oh, okay, they're like resin. You see that? If personally, not my style, I'm not really a fan of resin type products. I do prefer like natural stone and natural elements, so I actually think I may like put these in my gift box. I have like a whole box full of items that I like keep on hand for birthday parties and like presents for teachers or just random whatever. But I actually don't think I'm gonna hold on to these items. I do think I'm going to gift them. But thank you, FabFitFun, just not my style. Next thing in the box was this ceramic planter, Year and Day, made in Portugal. It is really beautiful. I like the shape of it. I'm not sure, you could like put keys in it. You could use it as a planter. For me, the color is just not a color I use in my household. I do have like a lot of neutral tones, and you could see I like natural wood. This blue color specifically is not something that I prefer in my home. So I think this will also be going in the gift bin. We do have the holidays coming up, so I might use these for like gifts for her teachers. Is the Evie Beauty Fuel, One Step Easier, Collagen, and Biotin. Okay, so it's like a supplement. I'll probably actually try one of these today. There's 4 lemonade and 4 raspberry. So I'm actually gonna make one of these right now. Is our spare change. Not sure what this is. Let's see. Oh, cute. It's like a bracelet. It's like a gold bracelet. It does expand. It's like a little bangle. That's actually really cute. It's very elegant. It's like little swirly design. So that's pretty cute. It does not have any like metal markings like 14 karat or 925. So I think it's just a costume type jewelry. Next, we have the Love AJ chain earrings. Now I did pick these, but I picked the silver ones. I do have them on right now. Well, just this one ear. This ear I have like a ball because I had to re-pierce my hole, but these are actually really cute. So maybe I'll gift these. My best friend Amber wears gold, and I think she might actually really like them. So maybe I'll gift these to Amber. I hope you don't watch this video because this may be coming in your Christmas present. Lastly, the second FabFitFun box I received for fall is the Rare Beauty Soft Pinch in Cheer. And I have been using this product like crazy. To be honest, the packaging was not that impressive. It felt really cheap, and I don't love a light plastic. I don't mind if a packaging is plastic. I just prefer it if it's like heavier quality. But The product itself is so beautiful. It's this beautiful coral wash of color and glow. I actually have it on right now, and you could see just how luminous and beautiful my cheeks are. So I think I may actually include this in Amber's Christmas present. Shh, don't tell her. Anyways, that is what was in my second FabFitFun box for fall 2025. If you like these videos, please subscribe, leave me a comment. It would literally mean the world to me to hear from you guys. And also, if you like this makeup look, I did just film it. It's my Get Camera Ready With Me makeup tutorial. I'll have it listed right here. I was just playing around with makeup. I knew I was filming today, so I decided to film me doing my makeup today, and it came out really nice. So, thank you so much for watching.